بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا رسول الله وآله وصحبه ومن تبعه ووالاه. Dear viewers, I am Abul Fath Muhammad Ibrahim Ash-Shami, one of the teachers in this Islamic Institute, Dar al-Ulum Hanfi al-Ghawthiyah from Tariq Road, Karachi, Pakistan. Today I would like to invite you to one of the great international Islamic and Quranic gathering which is going to be held tomorrow in this mosque and this institute, which is Al-Jami' Al-Masjid Al-Ghawthiyah and Dar al-Ulum Hanfi al-Ghawthiyah, Tariq Road, Karachi. Tomorrow, inshallah, in these blessings and great opportunity, we are going to receive two guests from Egypt. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect it. One of our best reciters, one of the best guests is Al-Shaykh Al-Qari Mahmoud Al-Tuqi. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless him. And also the second guest, the young fellow and young reciter we are going to receive, he is Al-Shaykh Al-Qari Taha Izzat Ibrahim. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect him as well. And this gathering is going to be held under the supervision of the principal of this Islamic Institute, Al-Shaykh Al-Qari Abdul Qayyum Mahmoud Al-Naqshbandi. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant him long life. And also, my respected brothers and sisters, there is going to be separate arrangement for ladies, so sisters can attend this great mahfil as well. Tomorrow we are going to start after Isha prayer immediately, and by 10:30 we'll do our best to finish this gathering. So please seize your opportunities to attend this great and blessed mahfil and gathering. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you the best rewards. I am Abul Fath Muhammad Ibrahim, teacher from Dar al-Ulum Hanfiya al-Ghawthiyah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.